In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, work, or just for a personal project, customizing your fonts can really enhance the visual appeal of your slides. Let's dive in and take a look at how to do this in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Google Slides. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to sign into your Google account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can access all the features available to you in Google Slides. Once you're on Google Slides, you'll want to create a new presentation. You can do this by going to the Google Slides home. Pick the option to start a new presentation. This is usually labeled as blank, which provides you with a clean slate to work from. If you already have a specific presentation in mind, you can open an existing one instead. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to select a text box or decide where you want to add or change the font. Click anywhere on the slide to insert a text box if you haven't done so already. Google Slides gives you flexibility when it comes to text placement, making it easy to move text boxes around and customize them as needed. With your text box selected, look towards the top toolbar, which houses various formatting options. Click on the font name and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This drop-down allows you to explore and choose from the available fonts. If you're looking for a new font that's not listed there, you can add more fonts by clicking on the More Fonts option, occasionally found at the bottom of the font list. This will open a dialog where you can scroll through and select from hundreds of fonts for a more personalized touch to your text. When selecting your font, consider the style and readability. Keep in mind the audience and the message of your presentation. While decorative fonts can be engaging, they're not always the most readable, especially in longer blocks of text. Choose something that suits the tone of your presentation but also complements your content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add fonts to your Google Slides presentation. Customizing your fonts can really bring your slides to life, making them more appealing and engaging. So go ahead, experiment with different fonts and find the ones that best fit your presentation style. Until next time, happy presenting.